we're going to think about point of view. Right now, you're at my eye level and you're seeing from your point of view straight on to me, and I'm looking at you. But another way of thinking about a shot might be, whose point of view are we looking from? Right now, you're looking from behind me, so you see my point of view. Or another way to do it is to literally show what I'm seeing, and that is now the camera has seen my point of view. Think of each shot as having a point of view, and think about whose character's point of view you're looking from. If one shot is from one character's point of view, your next shot shouldn't be from a different character's point of view. You need to establish that character first. So if you see me, and then you see what I'm looking at, and then you see someone else, and you see what they're looking at, that makes more sense as a sequence. So think about the point of view of each shot that you do, and remember that the camera itself often represents a person and is showing that person's point of view. Whose point of view it is has to be clear from the sequence of your storyboards. We'll get into much more detail in future video classes, but for video 1A, just think about what each person sees and how we should see that in order in your storyboards.